version. Rear-wheel steering makes this large sedan surprisingly nimble in tight spaces and stable at speed. Charging is seamless with plug and charge. Just plug in, and the car handles the rest. The EQS blends cutting-edge tech with timeless luxury, prioritizing comfort and refinement above all. For those seeking the S-Class of EVs, the 2026 EQS is the benchmark. Introducing BMW's 2026 i7, a flagship electric sedan that redefines what it means to travel in style and comfort. BMW has always been synonymous with the ultimate driving machine, so how does that philosophy translate to a large, all-electric luxury sedan like the i7? The answer is, impressively well. The i7 is designed to be both a joy to drive and a supremely comfortable place to be driven in, whether you're behind the wheel or relaxing in the back seat. From the driver's seat, the i7 feels surprisingly agile and engaging for its size, with precise steering, a balanced chassis, and a sense of connection to the road that's rare in this segment. The dual-motor setup delivers a robust 536 horsepower, more than enough for spirited acceleration. The adaptive air suspension seamlessly balances comfort and sportiness, soaking up bumps while keeping the car composed through corners. With a solid range of 388 miles on a single charge, the i7 is a capable road tripper, ready for long journeys without frequent stops. Fast charging capability means you can get back on the road quickly too, but the real showstopper is in the back, the optional 31-inch 8K theater screen. It transforms the rear seat into a private cinema, perfect for unwinding or entertaining on the go. Paired with a Bowers & Wilkins sound system and executive lounge seating that reclines for maximum comfort, the i7 offers a first-class travel experience on wheels, rivaling the best luxury jets. The i7's bold exterior design stands out from the crowd, with illuminated kidney grills and a distinctive split headlight look that's unmistakably BMW, day or night. Inside, cutting-edge technology meets classic luxury. Options like cashmere blend upholstery, a curved digital dash, and customizable ambient lighting create an inviting high-tech atmosphere. The interaction bar, a crystalline backlit trim, subtly communicates notifications and adds a futuristic touch to the cabin, blending function with style.